We're gonna have a fight, I think. Yeah, I think we should.
Oi!
Oi!
Ow!
What is a duchy?
It's weed.
What? Hey guys, welcome to Al Fresco, Twisted's brand new outdoor cooking show. Today I'm going to be cooking with Seren, Carnival lover, Walthamstow it girl, Twisted chef. Let's get her out.
Hiya! Hello, Hugh.
Yeah, how you doing?
Good.
What's going on?
We're gonna make some Jerk Poussin.
A tiny chicken
A
instead.
tiny little tiny chicken.
Nice.
And we're gonna put a can of Brewgooder in the middle of our chickens, and then we're gonna roast them, and it's gonna get beautifully steamed.
So they're going to be like strapped to each other?
They're gonna be strapped to each other and strapped to the can. We're doing it big.
Yeah.
First of all, we're gonna make a little marinade.
Oh, wow, lovely.
So I've got some jerk seasoning here.
Yeah.
Which is made by me.
Is it? It looks
home.
nice and sludgy.
So we're gonna pop that in the bowl,
Okay.
straight in. All-purpose seasoning, which has lots of salt in.
Yes.
Some smoked paprika, some black pepper, and then we've got some allspice
Oh, I love
berries,
these,
which
yeah.
are
I'm going to steal one.
they're delicious. They smell good, don't
They
they?
smell amazing, yeah. Here we
They're
go.
a Jamaican staple.
You're not actually Jamaican,
I'm
though.
not Jamaican.
She's a liar.
I'm Grenadian.
Get back in the shed.
Anyway, we've got some honey as well here going in.
Do you want some oil of olives?
Oil of olives. So I'm gonna just toss my chicken, my
Yeah.
poussin.
Poussin. How long is it marinate for?
In a perfect world, overnight.
Wow.
We're gonna do an hour.
The magic of television.
Magic of television.
It's overnight.
Should we do that
Yeah. The next day.
the next day? Hello.
What's going on now?
So now, Hubert,
Mm.
Mango Scotch Bonnet Salsa.
Yeah.
Just to accompany our poussin.
Yeah.
I've got some diced mango.
Looks
Do you want
nice.
to put them in there?
Yes.
Yep.
Do you want me to put all this salt in there?
No. Thanks.
What's that?
No, just
That's
that.
very suspicious.
No, that's sugar. We're not going
Okay.
to use all of that. We're going to use about a teaspoon. So
Scotch bonds, they're going in?
They're going in, and they've been deseeded.
Oh, yeah.
They have a really like peppery flavour rather
Yeah.
than like chili arbol or like a bird's eye.
People are funny about chili, isn't
But
they?
they-
Like, people are just like chili equals hot, like not necessarily flavour.
Yeah, I think people don't know the different types of chili. There's usually different types of cuisine.
Bloody idiots. Chili Chat Thursdays.
We like chili.
Chili Chat Thursdays.
We like chili.
Chili Chat Thursdays.
We like chili.
Chili Chat.
Habanero is in like Mexican food.
Yeah.
Scotch bonnet is in like Caribbean food
Yeah.
and West African food.
Yeah.
Bird's eyes are in Southeast Asian food. Green chilies are in Indian and Pakistani food.
And that is all the chilies around the world.
Moving on, we've got our chopped mint
Right, yeah.
going in.
Okay.
Like, look at that, look at that.
Lovely.
Lovely. Squeeze some lime in now.
Okay.
Get it nice and limey. We're going to also put in a bit of olive oil.
This looks really nice. I like
Yeah.
Poussin because I can eat the whole one myself, and they're usually £3.50.
One man, one bird.
Very
It's
traditional of you.
It's a monogamous bird.
Very traditional, very heteronormative of
Yes.
you.
Can you drizzle a bit of olive oil in
Yeah.
there? We'll just stick him in the fridge, let him marinate and get all juice. That's fine.
Is it?
It's
Alright.
quite oily.
I like that.
So we're going to pop that in the fridge, let it marinate for a while, and we're
Yeah.
going to crack on with finishing off our poussin.
Okay, scrummy. Do you feel like having a beer?
That would be lovely.
Nice. I'll be back in a sec.
you.
We've teamed up with Brewgooder to make our very own delicious Twisted IPA. So if you head down to your local co-op, grab a 4-pack, an item will be donated to a food bank. We love it. Now let's go and ask some people what they think. So do you like Notting Hill Carnival?
I do.
Yes, I like.
Carnival. Oh, very nice.
And do you like the food, Notting Hill Carnival? Jerk?
Indeed, yes.
What do you eat?
Goat curry I like.
Sausage and hamburger.
Delicious. Do you like cooking?
Yeah, very nice cooking. Good like.
What's your favourite thing to cook?
Everything good that was good.
Do you like Notting Hill Carnival?
No.
Did you drink a dirty wine?
No.
Too much noise, it's dirty.
Would you have liked to?
Yeah, I like to. Of course.
There's a lot of people.
£3,000 before like this is one. They give you and the free.
It's a good deal.
Yeah, good to see you.
You can't refuse that.
Mess and streets are dirty and
I've seen a thing or two.
I bet.
I think Carnival's fantastic. It's a great celebration.
so the thing is, she doesn't live here. Do you think it closes at 8? You have street parties everywhere.
So that's been the general public. Now back to the studio.
Oh,
One for you,
thank you so much.
one for me, and one for the chicken.
To Carnival.
So this goes in the middle.
This goes in the middle.
Oh no,
Oh, can we-
both its legs have fallen off. Food stylist.
Sorry. It never happened.
I'm gonna jerk your face.
So we're gonna pop our chickens around our can of beer.
Yeah, you're any good at knots?
I was actually in brownies,
Oh yeah.
but I left. I didn't want to be called a brownie, you know? I'm already brown, that's enough.
That is an unfortunate title, isn't it? Oh Jesus, Seren. Overrated, underrated foods.
I do love courgette, but I do think they're overrated.
Yeah.
They're watery. I like
hear
raw
you.
courgette
Yes.
better than cooked courgette. Underrated food,
Yeah.
sweet corn.
There you go.
No, broccoli. I like broccoli a lot.
Oh, everyone loves broccoli.
Okay, it's not underrated then. Sweet corn.
They're not going to steam though, are they? I think they need to go up more like that, and then like tie them together like this. Go on, let's just please, just.
This is so gross.
I think just tie their wings together. Do it. Trust those
Dude,
birds.
this is so rank. I'm gonna get roasted online for this.
They're not as roasted as these birds. There's a dog on the floor. Look at that. Damien Hirst, eat your heart out.
Exactly. Okay, so what I also want to do is just pour the rest of the marinade on. Let's pop it on the barbie.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay.
So we're gonna cook it for about 50 minutes. Hi, buddies.
Nice.
We are going to make a crema. I have charred some lovely spring onions and we're going to stick that into our blender with some sour cream, some lime juice, a little bit of salt, blitz it up, and that is it.
Lovely.
Should we give it a taste?
Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm. It's really good. It's got that charred flavour through it
Yeah.
and really strong onion.
Yeah, it's
Which
good.
is really good.
I love charred things.
Yeah, that's really, really nice. I'm happy with that. We can dip our delicious poussin in that.
Stunning. We're like
Amazing.
doing well, I think.
We are doing well. Cheers to us.
Cheers, everyone.
Happy Carnival.
Happy Carnival, one and all. Okay, well, this is it. It looks bloody delicious.
It looks amazing.
I think you smashed it.
I think I smashed it
That
too.
particularly looks really beautiful.
Very nice.
How do we eat it?
So I would suggest grab a bit of chicken, grab a spoonful of salsa,
Mm-hmm.
a little blob of sauce on the side.
Looks amazing.
It looks really
What a nice,
good.
very elegant little plate
I
there.
know.
All right, let's give it a try.
Yeah, let's do it.
God, it looks so good. I love
So,
jerk
so
chicken.
good.
Sweet, spicy, complex.
It's delicious. The meat, like we said earlier, is super tender.
And I really like that little salsa. It's amazing.
I really like that salsa.
I'm gonna make this
Yeah, it's
again.
good.
All round, a beautiful, delicious plate.
It was. It was
thanks,
great.
Thanks so much for joining me. I'll
Thank you for having me, Hubert.
I'll see you later.
I'll see you later.